Hi, my name's Emma Mobley and I'm a solutions rep here at Cyan Analytics. I'll be taking you through our bid no bid assessment. Click Start, then select the bid no bid assessment at the top of the screen. We know how important it is to be able to quickly decide whether or not you're going to bid on an RFP. This quickly separates the document and flags key stakeholders so that they can assess whether or not you're going to bid. Now I'll walk you through the bid no bid assessment. You're going to hit Next on the screen, then click on your project and select your document. Then you're going to hit Analyze. Let's take a look at the results. Here it parses out the document, flags the key stakeholders in the department responsible for responding to the RFP. You can give it a team member an assignment here, give it a criteria score, and assess whether or not it'll be a deal killer. Normally what takes hours and days for your team to complete manually, this does it in seconds. Want to save time on your bid no bid process? Schedule your demo today.